Hello, people. If you've been here before, welcome back. This is your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Humberto Pina, and this is a series of video tutorials for students who want to get a better score in the TOEFL test. Right now, we're working with structure and written expression, and we're going to work with skill 44. Skill 44, distinguishing possessive adjectives and pronouns. Right? Possessive adjectives and pronouns both show who or what owns a noun, not something. However, possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns do not have the same function, and these two kinds of possessives can be confused in the TOEFL test. A possessive adjective describes a noun. It must be accompanied by a noun. Possessive pronoun takes the place of the noun. It cannot be accompanied by a noun. Example here, they lend me their book, right? This is a possessive adjective, their, and it's always going to be accompanied by a noun, in this case, book. They lend me theirs. Okay, so it's possessive. It's like their book altogether, theirs. Notice that in the first example, the possessive adjective their is accompanied by the noun book. In the second example, the possessive pronoun theirs is not accompanied by a noun. This example shows the types of errors that are possible with possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns on the TOEFL test. He reads, each morning they read theirs newspapers, right? So this is incorrect. The newspaper is a noun, and this is a pronoun, so it's incorrect. It should be their newspapers. Can you give me your? Right, this is an adjective, and it should be accompanied by a noun. You what? Some noun here. Can you give me your name, your newspaper, something? So in this example, the possessive pronoun theirs is correct because it is accompanied by the noun newspapers, and the possessive pronoun cannot be accompanied by a noun. The possessive adjective there is needed in the first example. In the second example, the possessive adjective your is incorrect because it is not accompanied by a noun. The possessive adjective must be accompanied by a noun. The possessive pronoun yours is needed in the second example. Okay, so here we have a chart that outlines the possessives and the uses. Possessive adjectives always accompanied by a noun. My name, your car, whatever. Okay, always accompanied by a noun. Possessive pronouns, it cannot be accompanied by a noun. Okay, so my name, mine, your name, yours, and so on. Okay, now size 44 is each of the following sentences contains at least one possessive pronoun or adjective. We're going to circle the possessives and then indicate the sentences are correct or incorrect. So look at the examples. If she borrows your coat, right, this is an adjective accompanied by the coat, then you should be able to borrow her. Again, this is an adjective, so it should be accompanied by a noun, or we should write hers. Her coat, hers. Number two, each pot and pan in her kitchen, right? Her kitchen has its own place on the shelf, right? So this is fine, no problem. Okay, so now pause the video, complete the exercise, and when you finish, come back and put your answers. Okay, now you're back. Tim and Mark invited their parents to see their apartment. So, I mean, apartment, yeah, it's fine. It's an adjective. Can be accompanied by a noun. But theirs is pronoun, so it's incorrect. Should be their parents see their new apartment. When my roommate paid her half of the rent, I paid mine. Okay, so adjective, noun, pronoun. This is correct. Also, you need to bring theirs, pencils, and answer sheets to the exam. So this is a pronoun. This is a noun. They don't go together. It should be their own pencils and answer sheets. all her secretaries are working late tonight to finish her report. Okay, this is correct. We got adjective, noun, adjective, noun. The horse running around the track won its race a few minutes ago. That's correct too. That is the noun. That is the adjective. Before the report is finalized, information in their notes and our must be proof. Okay, so adjective, noun is fine, but this is a pronoun, so it should be ours. Before the report is finalized, information in their notes and ours. She worked all day cooking food and making decorations for her son's birthday party. So yeah, it's fine. It's an adjective. And the noun birthday. The weather in the mountains this weekend will be extremely cold, so please take yours. Heavy jackets. So yours is a pronoun, so it shouldn't be accompanied by noun. So this is your heavy jacket. Okay. So I'll take a look at your answers, take a look at what we did. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll get back to you. Okay. So if you found this information useful, give it a thumbs up. That really helps the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing to the channel so it gets bigger and stronger. And if you know anybody that can benefit from this type of information, feel free to share it. It's free, it's available. So see you in the next video.